Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Jeremy. I am 38 years old, a high school graduate, a single parent of five children. Their ages: girl 15 years old, son 14 years old, third girl is 13 years old, fourth girl is 10 years old, and the fifth girl is 8 years old. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 3 months. My main duty is to clean the house, iron and washing the clothes, and I make Arabic food like kabsa, salata, sambusa, and I know how to make Arabic coffee. Here in Hong Kong, I serve five members of the families, two adults and three children. Their ages: 13 years old boy, 10 years old boy, and 3 years old boy. My main duty is to cook a Chinese food and cleaning the house, washing and iron the clothes, and washing the car. To my next future employer, I promise to be a good helper and I will follow all your house rules, and I promise also that I have a long patience, honest and trustworthy. Thank you.